Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I don't know why I was about to do a little spin thing to it, but welcome to my channel. I know most of you are probably new to my channel because I haven't filmed anything for TikTok before, and honestly, I have no idea why I haven't, if I absolutely love this app. So what I have done for you today is that I happened to come across a trend, and I don't know what it's called, so by the time I upload this video, hopefully there's a name for it so I could like title this somehow. If you're here from TikTok, hey, welcome. You're probably already following me, but if you clicked on this video and you are not my friend on TikTok, then I invite you to go on my page at Carla with a K _ and follow me on TikTok. We are over 173,000 in my TikTok family now, I believe. We are almost at 3 million hearts, so thank you guys so much for those of you who have been loyal to me. I absolutely love you guys. Alright you guys, so the first thing that I want to mention is that I think, from my understanding, you have to have an iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, don't worry. I'm pretty sure that there's other apps where you can do exactly what I'm going to show you guys on here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a TikTok with you guys so I can show you how to do it. So all I did was download the app Videoshop. So it's this app right here down at the bottom. So when I film, I'm filming like this. You guys are probably gonna be able to see it now. Let's do a scenario first because I can't record without thinking of a scenario. So the scenario is gonna be when your mom tells you the night before to take out the meat, to sacar la carne, that way when she gets home from work, she can make you guys something to eat. So you completely forget, right? Relatable. So I'm gonna go ahead and press record on this phone that I'm recording. I'm on my phone. Here comes the car. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna screenshot this part, so you need to make sure that your face is actually very like screenshotable, if that makes sense. So okay, so you're gonna go ahead and stop recording right there, and now you have to record the mom part. So now the mom part is her being like, I'm gonna throw in like a mom drop or something. Again, press record, and now you're facing this way because remember the kid's facing this way, so the mom's gonna be facing this way. This is a no sacas la carne. And then back on that same edit to the kid's reaction. The kid probably getting like ready to run. So that's your content right there. You already know what parts you're gonna screenshot. So go into your recording. Okay, so this is the face right here that I'm going to be screenshotting, since that's when I was like, wait, my mom's here. So go ahead and take a screenshot of that. So this is a screenshot that I'm going with right here. This is the mom being like, oh no, I can't believe you didn't take out the meat. What are we gonna eat now? What's up? So that's that. Now it's my reaction again that's like, whoa, like what's up, mom? So it's this one right here. Go ahead and open Facetune. Go ahead and select your image, and we're gonna select one of the screenshots that we had already made. And then down at the bottom, you're gonna have all of your choices of what you get to do with it. You're gonna click resize, mess with the face to make it like a funny face. You could do like different little things. You see how my face just went from like what to what to what? Okay, so this is as much as I'm gonna mess with it. Save to camera roll, and then you're gonna get into PixArt. So once you're at the front, you're gonna go ahead and click at the bottom, that little plus. You're gonna go ahead and add the picture that you already distorted like so. And you're just gonna add a filter. Down at the bottom, you're gonna put effects, but I really like the feast one. This is the one that I usually use. This size right here is usually what takes up the whole screen from TikTok. If you make it any smaller, then it's just gonna look awkward when you actually make the video. So we're gonna go ahead and save that, go to next. You're gonna do the same exact thing with all of your pictures, and then we will be right back and I'll tell you the next step. So once you're done editing the pictures, you're gonna go into the app Videoshop. So Videoshop, actually my phone is dying. I'm gonna have to sacrifice one of my lights, you guys. At the top, it's gonna have you choose record or import. We're gonna import from video. It'll give you the choices, all photos and videos. We're gonna go to all just because we already did our photo as well. That way we can choose all of them at the same time. So down here at the bottom, you're gonna click on the Videoshop app. Once you click on that, it's gonna give you the choices to record or import clip. You're gonna go ahead and select import clip since our clip's already there. Give you the choice on to all video or photos. We're gonna click on all, and it's going to import the videos and the pictures. Once that's in there, this is so funny. We're gonna go ahead and focus on the video. You can always move. Down here is where you're able to move everything. So if you want to pick this one up and move it to like the other side, it's all gonna be through the bottom bar, not the top bar. So let's go ahead and move the first clip all the way to the front. We're gonna go ahead and play it. And then we're going to go ahead and trim. So trim where you're like, okay, ha ha ha, and then your mom gets there. Right there, bam, perfect. So once you do that, that's when you realize, oh no, my mom's here. So you pick up this clip, you move it right here, and then you go ahead and go to the next clip, which is where your mom's like, what's up, what you doing? So that clip, you're gonna go ahead and go to trim again, and then just kind of go where like your mom is like, what is up, what are you doing? And then bam, you save it, and there, that one's good, because the following clip is that. And then the last part was when you're like, oh no, like what's up? You're gonna go ahead and add the text. So the text is basically just like telling the story of what's going on. The first part is, oh yeah, I'm okay, I'm on my phone, and then my mom gets home, right? And we're gonna trim this. This is so funny. This is actually kind of funny, a little bit. So you're gonna be like, okay, this is fine. And then down at the bottom, it'll let you trim. Once you select on the text up here, that's where you get to edit. Do you want to make it like the time right here? It'll help you select where do you want it to go, where do you want it to stop. So we're gonna stop it right at that clip because you don't want it to go to the next clip. So you're gonna put the green arrow or the green check mark, and then it's only going to do that. So now we're gonna add text to the picture, the top one. We're gonna go ahead and just put like, oh, mom's here. And this is just an example. You can make a lot of better ones, but just to show you guys how to do it. So once you're done with that, see how easy, simple it was? The hardest part was actually just editing the pictures and getting all the text in. You're gonna go ahead and put next at the corner, the top. So once you save it, you could actually from here already import it onto TikTok. So we're gonna do that, but I'm not gonna save it. I'm only gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna post it. By the way, the very first time that you do it, it's gonna let you remove the watermark if you follow them on Instagram. So just a little FYI. But what I'm gonna do is that since I already used the audio that we're gonna use, then I'm gonna go ahead and click on my last video that I uploaded. I'm gonna go down to the music. I am gonna distort this music just in case YouTube copyrights me. I don't wanna go through that, so you know, we're gonna avoid that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that little the sound that I used, and then I'm gonna go ahead and create the video. Oh, here I am. But because I already made it, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and click down at the bottom, select this one, and as you guys can see, the watermark's on there. But like I said, if you follow them on Instagram, they could get rid of that for you. So you're gonna go up to where it says volume, original volume, take it out and leave that one. So since I didn't time the video, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna crop out the end of it, but always time your videos, just because at the end you're gonna be like, oh no, like I shouldn't have made it so long, because now the audio is only 15 seconds. You have to remember that. I'm gonna show you what 15 or 15 seconds of the video looks like going right now. And I know it's like kind of fast. Like I said, always time your videos, because then you're gonna end up having to trim it and everything. I didn't do that for this video, especially since like I haven't filmed a TikTok tutorial before. So I try to make this as like kind of fast, I guess, as possible, I wanna say. So basically, you know the steps on how to create your pictures, what editors I used. All you have to do now is time it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe since you're already here. Let me know down in the comment box if you want me to do more TikTok videos on my channel, if you do. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.